has been incredible. We had a fantastic ride out from Hamilton Island, and to have the helicopter filming the boats in different formations was so cool, and everyone on our boat just enjoyed it so much.
It's being on the boat, it's the freedom of being on the water. It's also about Horizon themselves, you know, great people that work with you really well. And yeah, we're so happy to be a part of the Horizon family.
We had some formation shooting coming out of Hamilton Island. That was pretty good. Different formations, V formation. Horizon do look after you, even after you've bought the boat. Horizon have really gone out of their way to look after us here. I've never seen this done before, so it's just been fantastic.
We first off had cocktails on the boat, and then we come onto the beach and had some swimming, and then we had a magnificent lunch with all seafood and all drinks. It's been really great, and the weather is just unreal.
Fabulous rendezvous and a fabulous destination, and to be here with this fantastic group of people on this fantastic beach. Awesome caterers here to do such an amazing job with the food, and over here we have our great little group of people having a fun time in the water. Being part of the Horizon family is amazing. They just make us feel so inclusive. Family is such a great description for it because they do treat you like family and they treat you very specially, and we have magnificent locations like this, and we have such a great time, and Horizon do such a magnificent job. They really look after their clientele. This is our third rendezvous and we'll be here for the next one.